The next they have is tribal panchayat. You all know what are panchayats, right? They are there in the villages and they usually give justice and to people. They usually act like courts. Okay. Panch is a very influential in scheduled tribes. Okay, so panch or panchayat is given lots and lots of importance, and they are also very influential. Influential meaning they are very active in tribal people. Okay, with the vision of panch kahe te parmeshwar, whatever the panch says is next to God. They believe in this. Okay, panch works as a judiciary and a judge. Judiciary etle your justice system. Okay, and they also act like a judge. They listen to cases of convict એટલે ચોર ચોરી ડકેતી એના cases of divorce. All these things are heard by the panchayat. Okay, though politically ruled by the state government, obviously state government also plays a very very major role in who becomes panchayat, because we live in democracy, but they give preference to panch system for internal management and social control. Okay, so internally management માટે, society ને control કરવા માટે they give lot of importance to panchayats. Youth organization. Youth organization is an important organization found in tribal culture. However, it is not that all tribals have such organization. Though joint and divided youth organization, process of socialization and cultural assimilations are carried out. So youth organization is something which every tribal has, but it's not necessary that all the tribes have these youth groups or youth organizations, but most of the tribes do have this youth organizations, and the job is for socialization. What is socialization? કે બધા young people એકબીજાને ઓળખે, જાણે કે અચ્છા આ person મારી ટ્રાઇબમાં છે, આનું નામ આ છે, whatever. And for cultural assimilation. What is cultural assimilation meaning? કે એ લોકોને આપણે કલ્ચરના વિશે જણાવીએ. We tell them what culture is, what એ લોકોના ટ્રાઇબલનો કલ્ચર શું છે, એ લોકોના એના રિલિજન શું છે, એના ટ્રેડિશન્સ શું છે, એ લોકોને એ બધી વસ્તુ શીખડાવવા માટે there are these youth organizations to explain them what is culture, what is their culture, why is it important for them to protect the culture, etc. Next is undeveloped form of economy. The economy of tribal society is found undeveloped as compared to that of civilized society. Money lenders dominate the activities of lending money, etc. in the place of banks, shares and deposits. So what they have is કે એની economy એટલે કે એ લોકોનું જે બિઝનેસ છે, કે એ લોકો જે કામ કરે છે એ એટલું બધું ડેવલપ્ડ નથી. If you go to a city, right, it is a very developed place, right? They make lot of profit and all these things. In tribes they do not have that. Okay, they are not advanced in terms of economy. They are not advanced in terms of the job they do or the business they are doing, right? And they often take money from money lenders. Money lenders એટલે જે લોકો એને ઉધારમાં પૈસા આપે, પણ બેંક કે ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કંપની કે એજન્ટના થ્રુ એ લોકો લોન નથી લેતા, પણ જે લોકો એ લોકોની જે ટ્રાઇબ ગ્રુપમાં જે લોકલ પૈસા ઉધાર આપે એ લોકો આગળથી પૈસા લે. ઓબ્વિયસલી એ લોકો વધારે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ચાર્જ કરે, આ લોકોને હેરાન કરે, and all those things goes on and on. Okay, faith in invisible powers. Scheduled tribes have faith in invisible and non-human powers. They believe that the supernatural relations have certain totem and many other beliefs and superstitions are attached to this belief. Superstitions are nourished by them. They are most influenced by individuals having miraculous personalities such as Shom, Badwo or Bhagat. So they believe in something called supernatural powers. Okay, they believe in ghosts. Supernatural powers એટલે ભગવાન, કે એ લોકોને એમ લાગે કે અગર આપણે આમ કરશું તો શૈતાન આવી જશે. That is called supernatural powers. Okay, so they believe that there is something that is supernatural. Okay, they believe in a lot of superstitions એટલે અંધવિશ્વાસમાં બી બહુ માને. They believe કે આપણે આ કરશું તો ખરાબ થઈ જશે, આ કરશું તો નજર લાગશે. એ લોકો બ્લેક મેજિક બહુ કરે, એ લોકો વૂડુ વર્શિપ કરે. You know what is voodoo worship? એ લોકો એક ડોલ લે, ઓકે, અને ડોલની ઉપર લેટસ સે કે મારી કોઈ બી વસ્તુ લઈ લે, લાઈક લેટ્સ સે માથાનું વાળ, ઓકે, એ ડોલ સાથે એ અટેચ કરે અને પછી એ લોકો કંઈક મેજિક જેવું કરે જેનેથી ડોલ અને મારી કનેક્શન થઈ જાય. પછી ડોલને હર્ટ કરે તો મને હર્ટ થાય. સો I don't know if it is true or not. It is shown in movies, it is shown in serials. Okay, so they believe in all those things. Okay, they believe in all these supernatural powers, they believe in superstitions. Okay, list of specific moral rules. Each tribe has its own moral rules. They firmly believe in morality of each of the tribal individual has to obey it. They give prominence to morality in group life. So what are they saying? That each and every tribe has its own rules and regulations, and they need to follow these rules and regulations. Okay, and they give lot of importance to their own rules and regulations. State of socio-economic taboos. Scheduled tribes need to obey various taboos in social and religious fields. Among social relations, relation of avoidance reflect the state of social denial. They have clear-cut idea of purity in religion, rituals and action. There are several taboos prescribed for shaman and women, and individual behavior is controlled by regulating of such taboos. Taboos એટલે it is kind of અંધવિશ્વાસ only કે આ કરવું જોવે ન કરવું જોવે. Okay, that is called a taboo. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણા ઇન્ડિયન સોસાયટીમાં ટેબુ છે કે અગર એક ગર્લને પોતાના પીરિયડ્સ હોય તો ભાઈ તમે કિચનમાં એન્ટર ન થઈ શકો, તમે ટેમ્પલ ન જઈ શકો, તમે અથાણા ટચ ન કરી શકો. તો આ બધી વસ્તુને ટેબુ કહેવાય. આ ન કરો, આ કરો. All these things are included in taboos. So they give lot of importance to their own taboos and rituals. There are taboos for women. There are taboos for each and every person. કે આ કરવું જોઈએ, આ ન કરવું જોઈએ. You know, there is a taboo that says कि you know નવરાત્રિમાં વાળ ખુલ્લા રાખીને ગરબા ન કરવા જોઈએ, તેલ 7 વાગ્યા પછી ન કરવું જોઈએ, રાંધવાનું 7 વાગ્યા પછી ન કરવું જોઈએ. So all these taboos are there. Okay, so they have all these taboos, they have social restrictions. Okay, and they have to obey them. They cannot say no to it. અગર એ લોકો પોતાની જ ટ્રાઇબની અગેન્સ્ટ બોલે તો એ લોકોને ટ્રાઇબમાંથી કાઢી નાખે. Okay, so behavior of every person is based on the taboo. Okay, prominence of mystic powers. Tribal people have great faith in different mystic powers. Such mystic powers of hills, forest, ancestor, dead heroes, village, evil mystic power of ghost, female ghost and witch. Okay, so they all believe in mystic powers. Okay, that is also again that they believe કે પહાડ ઉપર there is a ભૂત staying. So they believe in all those things કે 7 વાગ્યા પછી ઓલી જગ્યાએ નહીં જવાનું, અહીંયા ભૂત આવે છે. They believe trees, they believe in heroes, they believe in ghost, they believe in witch. Witch એટલે you all know what a witch is, no? Witch એટલે આપણે શું કહેવાય યાર? I forgot the Gujarati word for witch. Darken types. Okay, that is called witch. Okay, ancestors એટલે એ લોકોના પૂર્વજ. ઓકે, ડેડ હીરોઝ જે લોકો મરી ગયા છે, હીરોઝ એ લોકોની ટ્રાઇબના, આ બધી વસ્તુમાં દે બિલીવ અ લોટ.